Welcome. Today we're going to learn how to assemble the flared square. We have the top and we have the base. First, fold the flaps in and fold the back over it and lock into place. Then, fold the side over and lock it into place. Repeat on the other side. Finish by repeating your first step. Now we have our base. Next, line your top up. The base will have slots on two sides. Make sure you line the flaps of your top up with these. Then, fold the sides of the top in and press down. Next, lock the flaps into the slots. Repeat on the other side. You now have a flared square. Thank you for watching.